Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up your personal pitch deck and post highlights on LinkedIn step by step clearly. Begin by defining your personal brand. Identify your core values, strengths, and unique selling points. Research your industry to understand what employers and connections value. Gather visual assets, such as your headshot and relevant graphics. Open a presentation software like PowerPoint or Google Slides. Create a new presentation and choose a clean, professional template. Start with a compelling title slide that includes your name and tagline. Add a slide that outlines your career journey, including key experiences. Use concise bullet points to highlight significant achievements. Incorporate visuals, such as charts or images, to illustrate your impact. Create a slide for your skills, showcasing both soft and hard skills. Include a slide dedicated to your personal projects or volunteer work. Prepare a slide for testimonials or endorsements from colleagues or mentors. Wrap up with a slide that features your contact information and LinkedIn URL. Review the entire presentation for clarity and professionalism. Save your pitch deck in PDF format for easy sharing. Now, let's move on to posting highlights on LinkedIn. Log in to your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile and click on that Add Profile section button. Select Featured and then choose Media to upload your pitch deck. Add a title and description that captures what your deck represents. Make sure the description emphasizes your key achievements and skills. Post your pitch deck and check how it appears on your profile. Next, create an engaging post that summarizes your pitch deck. Highlight the key takeaways to entice your network. Use relevant hashtags to increase the visibility of your post. Tag relevant connections or companies to encourage interaction. Encourage your network to check out your pitch deck for more details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.